Hi everyone, welcome to this segment on the channel where we will be delving into how to use Mailchimp for beginners. To initiate, let us populate our Mailchimp contact list so we can start sending out emails. Navigate to the audience section on the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on All Contacts. Here, you have two options, either add subscribers manually or import them. Now let us organize our audience into distinct groups by adding tags. Click on Tags, where you will find existing tags, or create new ones by clicking on Create Tag. I will create two tags to separate subscribers interested in YouTube training from those interested in podcast training. Next, let's create a sign-up form to grow our email list. Click on Sign Up Forms and use the form builder to design your form. You can customize fields like first name, last name, etc. Keep in mind that asking for too much information may decrease sign-ups. After building the form, you can design it by adjusting colors, fonts, etc. Once created, you will receive a URL that you can share on social media or embed on your website. Moving on, let us look at embedded forms. Select embedded forms to generate the HTML code which you can then embed on your website. Lastly, let us create a landing page to promote our training. Click on Landing Page and choose a template. Customize the page by adding sections, adjusting text and colors. You can also add a sign-up form to collect leads directly from the landing page. Once the landing page is designed, you can create an email campaign. Select email and design your email by choosing a template, customizing content, and adding images or links. Review the email to ensure it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Here's how to use Mailchimp for beginners. I hope you found this helpful. Before we conclude, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.